Okay, y'all, this is a tour of the Caesar's Palace, Augustus Tower, room 4270. Very impressed with it. When you walk in, you got this kind of long hallway here. Immediately off to the right is your bathroom. Right at that we have a nice shower and tub. Dual vanities, awesome. Separate toilet area. Very nicely done. I don't know if that's marble or not, but looks like it. You got a great mirror in the hallway so you can check yourself out before you head out. Sneak peek of the room. Real quick, here's where we've got our closet and safe to keep your valuables and money, hopefully. A whole bunch of it from winning. And then this very, very spacious room. Very impressed with the size and even the separation from that little living room area. So this is a king. Nice little vanity, maybe makeup area with a mirror. You got lots of cupboards for, I'm not sure what you would need cupboards for, but maybe some alcohol, or if you want to bring your own. TV. Looks like we got a fridge. Of course, it's the stocked one with you will have to pay for stuff. Does look like there's a little spot over there that you can maybe put your own stuff in. Those refrigerators always aren't very cold anyway. Some more drawers for your clothes. Oh yeah, this is where your clothes go. Lots of space. And go back to couch and living room area. Plenty of space to sit and do whatever. A nice table. You can either work there or over there. Have some room service. Got art piece. Looks like Roman type art. And then finally, I think the best part of this room, this space, I mean, everything's to love about it, but it's gonna be hard to see right now. But there are the Bellagio Fountains. Bellagio Fountains right outside your door. Amazing. Great view of the Strip. Again, this room is very, very large for just kind of a standard king room. I guess it's probably not a standard, but ceilings are high also, which is another great point. Yeah, so here it is. One more quick look from when you come in. Bathroom. And then the room. Living room, bed, TV. Great sitting area, relax, have fun. And then Bellagio Fountains, and great view of the Strip. The view's amazing, guys. I was hoping to catch the fountains, but missed them. Okay, that's it. Hope you liked the tour. If you did, please like the video. Subscribe to my channel. I travel a little bit, so I'll have other rooms and room tours of Vegas. I travel here quite a bit, so as I continue to grow the channel, I'll continue to do some more videos of the hotel rooms if you like them.